back. Oh my God. It's getting cold. It's getting cold. I'm gonna go, when I get back, I'm getting my shirt on.
That was a good idea.
Stop taking a video.
I bet Mom might like to see you first person. Anything you want to say to Mom? Sorry what it's like being a kid, having to drive a boat with oars.
How do I paddle here?
Jesus! We're hitting some white rapids.
There's big waves. Whoa!
Whoa!
It's shore, finally. Uh-oh. I lost the paddle.
I know, you'll have to dive in and get it.
I got it.
Alright, good job.
Shore. Uh-oh. I lost the paddle.
Jesus. There it goes, floating down with the wind.
Look.
Oh. Turn this around so the folks at home can see where we've got to here all this way. We were way over there and he drove us all the way across the river.
Yeah. Like me?
Yeah, the barrel's just there to kind of tell boats where to go and to slow down maybe that they're coming up to something.
Pretty cool. I've never seen one up that close. I lost the paddle. Found the Davy Jones yacht locker.
Oh.
I lost another paddle.
Oh man. Glad you got a lot of extra. Oh my word.
Eagle. Let's go. I saw the white. I might see a little whiteness.
That might be. Yeah, that might be. Alright, so this isn't our good camera, it's just our regular one.
We're getting close.
Good. Nice. Perfect timing.
Oh, I don't even know where to go. Alright, Dad.
Alright, good job, we got us here. We made it.
I'm going to my nano. Dad?
Yeah.
I'm trying to, get to shore.
Right.
I can't get to shore much because
Keep going,
you
keep going.
get to shore.
Alright, I'll get to shore. Good job, you got us all the way across the lake from all the way over there. Doesn't look like very far, but it takes me probably about 15 minutes to 20 minutes if I just row constantly to get all the way across. Just a minute.
And we got a leak, Mom. But
Tiny leak.
And I'm taking precautions. That says I'm not.
We're taking precautions.
That says I'm not, but I'm taking a big precaution. And I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere.
Wow, we're getting blown. Getting blown back. All right, here we go. All right. Relax, I got it. Here we go. Here we go. All right, get that one. Grab that one. Use both your hands. Push. Both hands. Down and in. Remember, you know how. Go. Bigger. Go. Push it. More. There you go. There you go. You want it deep. You don't want to keep pulling it back to yourself. Like right there, and then push it. And then,
Turn.
All right, go. All right, you know how forward, pull back, go. Push. Here we go. We got it. Big one. We gotta keep going. Big ones. Go.
Yeah.
Teamwork. Come on.
Yeah.
All right.
Dad. Come on.
All right.
Turn.
Say peace, Mom. Peace out, Mom. You didn't give Mom peace on you,
I'm too focused on getting us out of here.
Oh, man.
I'm caring more about my life.
Jesus. That's probably a good idea.
Videos are not more important than life.
That is so true. Let's go.
Halt.
All right. We're going nowhere fast.
Blow the man down, oh hey ho, blow the man down. He ho, blow the man down, blow the man down. Hey ho, blow the man down, blow the man down. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. Hey ho, blow the man down, oh blow the man down, oh blow the man down. Hey ho, blow the man down, oh blow the man down. Hey ho, blow the man down, blow the man down. Hey ho, blow the man down, blow the man down. Oh hey ho, blow the man down. What is that? I can't believe it.
All right, are we close, you think?
Hey